Put some of these here. Support you.
When I started here, I was in graduate school and I worked here as a consultant. I started reworking all the paint gun washers and turning it more into a product line. And then later on, when I started working here full-time, I re-engineered all of those products. So I made them simpler, more efficient to put together.
And back then, it was all solvent. And they decided that solvent was bad for people to work with. So we decided to manufacture a gun washer where they wouldn't have to deal with that much solvent. They started with waterborne, and we kept doing the same thing, but as a waterborne product. Well, I think Todd really brought the Encon lifts into the picture and really wants to grow this company and wants to grow the Encon lift name. And he has worked several years to bring this to what it is today.
So we created this whole Encon product line in these vertical robot lifting systems. It's this real trend towards automating the world. I mean, we're making vertical robots that can automate most everything. The robot arms come in and interface with our computer-controlled lifts. It not only is very cost-effective, lasts for a long time, is engineered well, it looks pretty, and it looks elegant. And that's why a lot of people keep coming back to us.
The difference between our can crushers and our filter crushers, the can crushers usually take the paint cans and will crush them down after they empty all the paint out so they can dispose of the can. We also have oil filter crushers that will crush the oil filters that come out of cars, and they will crush all the oil out of that, and then they can recycle the oil.
One of the things that I always try to do with the products that we engineer is make them look really simple. If you can make them look really simple, then you've mastered the product.
A lot of times the customers will come with an idea of what they're looking for. Our sales group and our engineering group will work together and try to give them a better idea of something that may work better for them.
Because you have to be right there with the customer and understand the application in detail. Otherwise, you can't customize it. Many of our customers, they're very detailed PhD type engineering people, and they want perfection in what they're doing. And they want to make sure that they're in good hands if they're going to purchase something from us. So we have a number of safety systems. The nicest feature that we have is a secondary anti-fall locking device. If the belts break, if the gear motor breaks, if everything breaks, this is going to lock the system so nothing can come crashing down on an operator.
Really what makes this company what it is the employees out there, giving their all and really making things happen. For the most part, the people that we have here have been here for a long time and usually stick around because we are a very close family, I guess.
I create stuff. I create the next latest thing for the product lines for our customers. I have a real passion for what we do here in this building. If that doesn't come from the top, then I'm not so sure other people would have that passion of putting that product together. I feel like I'm just getting started. I think that we are just getting started with what we're going to be doing in this building.